What is digital marketing? Digital marketing includes all marketing campaigns that use the internet or an electronic device. Companies take advantage of digital channels like online search engines, social media sites, and other websites, as well as email to network with existing and potential customers. Why is digital marketing so important? Digital marketing allows you to connect with a much bigger target audience than you could with conventional marketing methods. It allows you to focus on the potential customers who are most likely to purchase your service or product. In addition to that, it's usually more affordable than conventional advertising and marketing, and allows you to gauge success each day and adjust accordingly. Before I move on to the 4 main advantages of digital marketing, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell, because it really does help out the channel and I appreciate it. Also, be sure to stay until the very end, where I'll give you a list of the top 11 most common digital marketing strategies, and I've saved the best for last. There are a handful of main advantages to digital marketing, so let's jump into 4 of them right now. Number 1, you can target only the potential customers most likely to buy your service or product. If you put an ad on television, in a newspaper, or on a billboard, then you have limited control over who sees the advertisement. Naturally, you can gauge particular demographics, including the newspaper's usual readership or the demographics of a particular community, but it's still pretty much a throw of the dice. Digital marketing, however, makes it possible for you to determine and target a highly specific target market and send that target audience customized, high-converting marketing messages. Number 2, it's more affordable than conventional marketing techniques. Digital marketing allows you to keep track of ad campaigns each day and reduce the amount of money you're investing in a particular channel if it isn't showing a high return on investment or ROI. Unfortunately, that can't be said for conventional types of marketing. No matter how your billboard performs, it still costs the exact same, regardless of if it converts for you or not. Number 3, digital marketing allows you to outperform larger businesses in your industry. If you work for a small company, it's probably tough for you to compete with the huge companies in your market. A lot of these huge businesses have millions of dollars to spend on television commercials or national campaigns. Thankfully, there are lots of ways to outperform the big businesses with strategic digital marketing campaigns. For example, you could find specific long-tail keywords that connect to your service or product and produce top-notch material to help you rank on online search engines for those specific keywords. Search engines aren't interested in what business is bigger. Instead, search engines will focus on web content that resonates the best with the target market. Number 4, digital marketing is measurable. Digital marketing can provide you a detailed view of all the statistics that may be important to your business, such as shares, impressions, views, time on page, and clicks. This is just one of the greatest advantages of digital marketing. While conventional advertising and marketing may be helpful for specific goals, its biggest drawback is measurability. Most common types of digital marketing. Make sure you stay until the very end of this list, where I've saved the most common and one of the best types of digital marketing for last. Number 11, sponsored material. With sponsored material, you as a business can pay other businesses or companies to produce and advertise material that talks about your product or service in some way. One well-known kind of sponsored content is influencer marketing. Using this kind of sponsored content, a company sponsors an influencer in the industry to release blog posts or videos associated with the business on social media. Another kind of sponsored content could be an article or blog post that is created in order to feature a service, topic, or brand. Number 10, inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is a marketing approach where you attract and engage and delight potential customers at every single part of the buyer's journey. This will make an experience that works with your potential customer, not against them. It attracts the customer to you. Here are a few typical illustrations of inbound marketing compared to conventional marketing. Video marketing versus commercial advertising. Blogging versus pop-up ads. Email contact lists versus email spam. Number 9, online PR. Online PR is the strategy of getting earned online exposure through blogs, digital publications, and other content-based websites. It's similar to conventional PR, but instead, it's in the online sector. The networks you can utilize to take full advantage of your PR initiatives include the following: reporter outreach through social media. Speaking with reporters on Twitter, for instance, is a fantastic way to build a connection with the press that creates earned media possibilities for your business. Interacting with online reviews of your business. When a person reviews your company on the internet, regardless of if that review is great or awful, your gut reaction may be not to get involved in it. However, interacting with business reviews allows you to humanize your business and provide strong communication that safeguards your credibility and reputation. And lastly, responding to comments on your individual website or blog. In the same way that you'd reply to reviews of your business, replying to consumers who are checking out your content is the most effective way to create beneficial discussion involving your industry. Number 8, email marketing. Businesses make use of email marketing to connect with their target audiences. Email is typically used to advertise discounts, content, and events, in addition to guiding individuals to the company's website. The kinds of emails you could send out in an email marketing campaign are the following: follow-up emails to website visitors who downloaded something of yours, blog subscription newsletters, welcome emails to new customers, holiday promotions to loyalty program members, series emails or tips for customer nurturing. Number 7, marketing automation. Marketing automation is the software that helps to automate your standard marketing procedures. Many marketing divisions can automate repeating jobs that they would typically do by hand, like the following: email newsletters. Email automation doesn't only enable you to automatically send out email messages to your subscribers. It can even assist you in reducing and growing your contact list as necessary, so your e-newsletters are just being sent to the consumers who really want to see them. Social media post scheduling. If you would like to increase your organization's exposure on a social platform, you have to upload regularly. This can make hands-on posting a little bit of a challenge. Social media scheduling devices help drive your content to the social media platforms for you. This way, you can devote more time concentrating on content strategy. Lead nurturing workflows. Generating leads and turning those leads into clients might be a lengthy process. You can automate this process by sending out potential customers certain emails and material once they fit a specific requirement, like after they've downloaded and opened up your ebook. And lastly, campaign tracking and reporting. Marketing campaigns can involve a lot of different people, content, emails, phone calls, web pages, and much more. Marketing automation can allow you to organize everything you work on by the campaign, and then monitor the effectiveness of that campaign according to the performance of all of these elements. Number 6, native advertising. Native advertising describes ads that are mainly content-led and displayed on a network along with other non-paid content. A good example of this is BuzzFeed sponsored posts, but lots of people also think of social media advertising and marketing to be native, Instagram advertising and Facebook advertising, for instance. Number 5, affiliate marketing. This is a style of performance-based advertising and marketing where you get a commission for advertising other businesses' services or products on your website. Here are some examples of affiliate marketing: sharing affiliate links on your social media platforms, hosting video ads with the YouTube Partner Program. Number 4, pay per click or PPC. PPC is a way of pushing traffic to your website by paying a publisher whenever your advertisement is clicked on. One of the most popular styles of PPC is Google Ads. Google lets you purchase top spots on Google's results pages at a price per click of the web links you place. Other platforms where you can make use of PPC consist of the following: paid ads on Facebook. Here, people can pay to personalize an image, post, video, or slideshow, and Facebook will release it to the news feeds of men and women who fit your business's target audience. Twitter ads campaigns. Here, people can pay to make a number of profile badges or posts to the news feeds of a particular target audience. This is also you can achieve a certain goal for your business. This goal could be more Twitter followers, website traffic, app downloads, as well as tweet engagement. Sponsored messages on LinkedIn. On this platform, people can pay to send out notifications straight to specific LinkedIn users according to their background and industry. Number 3, social media marketing. This method promotes your business and your web content on social media networks to drive traffic, boost brand awareness, and create leads for your company. Here are some examples of social media platforms that you might want to use: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Snapchat, and Pinterest. Number 2, content marketing. This phrase represents the development and promotion of material for the intention of producing traffic growth, lead generation, brand awareness, and customers. The following are channels that you might include in your content marketing strategy: blog posts. Writing and releasing posts on a business blog allows you to show your industry knowledge and creates organic search traffic for the company. This basically gives you more chances to turn website visitors into potential customers and leads for the sales team. Ebooks. Ebooks and other long-form material helps further inform website visitors. It also enables you to trade content for the reader's contact info, producing leads for your business and moving individuals through the buyer's journey. Infographics. In some cases, readers prefer you to show, not tell. This is what infographics are for. Infographics are a type of visual web content that allows website visitors to picture an idea you would like to help them understand. Now, before I move on to the most common digital marketing strategy, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell, because it really does help out the channel and I appreciate it. Also, type the word yes in the comments below if you want to implement a digital marketing strategy to grow your business. Number 1, search engine optimization, also known as SEO. This is the technique of improving your website to rank much higher in online search engine results pages, therefore boosting the amount of organic traffic your website gets. The channels that improve because of SEO are blogs, websites, and infographics. Click the video on the screen to learn all about inbound marketing and 8 strategies that you need to start an inbound business today.